Book edge gilding machine is used for edge gilding of notebook, Bible book, normal book, etc. Round corner gilding, simple process. Easy operated, sanding process and gilding process are all in one machines. Edge gilding is done by trimming book, sanding and then applying gold or silver foil with Kylin book edge gilding machine. It can be done with square or round corners. We are specialized in making gilding edge machine for Bibles, calendars, unique books, business cards, etc. Edge gilding, silvering is a perfect way to catch the eye of a potential customer. Applying gilded edge to your project not only embellishes it but adds value as well. You can choose among several shades of lustrous golds and brilliant silvers to achieve desired effect. 1. PLC control, high accuracy, auto size change, PMMA edge lit panels available. 2. Sanding power by electron, high power wind suction to collect the dust. 100% environment protection. Easy operation. 3. Feeder for the foil paper, zero waste, 99% save for the cost of material. 4. The pressure of foiling is adjustable, suit for different kind of foil materials. 5. The width of foil paper is different, the foiling is good performance. 6. Auto temperature sensitive, roller self-protection. 7. Press the book block by air cylinder, the block can be rotated. 8. Round corner gilding is available.
Equipment training. To help you master the installation and operation of your equipment, Kylin provides authorized training programs led by surface preparation specialists. How to set up your machine and optimize performance levels for your process. Key troubleshooting tips that keep your machine in prime condition to minimize downtime, minimize maintenance, and prevent future problems. How to optimize performance levels to maintain consistent quality and minimize waste. The latest legislation and how to keep the machine safe. Warranty. We offer 3 years machine quality warranty. We want you to be satisfied with the work we do and our machine. Every time. We guarantee to perform all good services to your complete satisfaction at the agreed upon price. If at any time within 30 days after completion of the job you're not completely satisfied, we will re-clean all required areas to your satisfaction. If you are still not satisfied, we will refund the money paid. Machine repair. Initially, one of our experienced operators will try and help you resolve the problem over the telephone. If that is not successful, then we would send a field engineer out to site. Our engineers carry the most common spare parts so that most problems can be repaired on site. In the unlikely event that the machine could not be repaired on site, we would either arrange another on-site visit if appropriate, or take the machine into our state-of-the-art workshop where we can deal with all types of repairs and refurbishments.
Machine sales service. Everyone allows their experiences with service, whether in a professional or private environment, to influence them. Kylin is very aware of the growing importance of this service factor. Customers expect excellent service that is always available. Thus, it is most important to us that we gear our entire business dealings, from market analysis to production sequences, to the needs of our customers. We have agents which can take care of all the after-sale service in below region, Middle East country, Gulf, Dubai, India, Turkey, Korea, Portugal, UK. We will develop more and more agents in the coming years. Choosing Kylan means being able to depend on expert care for the entire service life of your Kylan machine, naturally including system components. Often, it is very subjective perceptions, which determine whether the customer views the service as good or outstanding. Reaction times to special wishes or requests, availability of service technicians and spare parts, the competence of employees, service prices, or even simply the friendly help on the telephone, as well as on site, all these components work together to leave a lasting impression that is outstanding. Do you have any questions or requests? Please give us a call or send us an email.